This is Ahmed from Germany, and today I will be doing a review of Lordhair F27 Plus hair system. Around 2 years ago, I was on a decision to go for a hair transplant, but I was not happy, or I was concerned about the risk involved in such kind of procedure, and secondly also the cost involved. Then I came to know about hair systems, and I found out that they are very stable, they are very convenient to use. So while doing my online research, I found out about Lordhair, and I bought my first system from them. The system I'm wearing right now is F27 Plus, which is their stock hair system. I'm using it for more than 3 months now. I wanted to review it after using it for a while, and I must say that I'm very happy with it. It's fine mono with thin skin parameter, with lace front, which makes it 100% undetectable front hairline. So it's an excellent system to start with. I placed the order using their website lordhair.com, and I must say that they are very helpful. Being their first time customer, I had a lot of questions, a lot of things to ask, but they replied me patiently. Not even that, when I contacted them using WhatsApp, I was getting the replies and I was given all the necessary information. So thanks here to Nancy, who was very patient to all my queries, and she helped me to choose the right system. Another very good service what they are offering is hair cut and style service. Usually if I would be doing it here, I would be paying 80 to 100 euros, but their hair cut and style service is amazing. I gave them the size, the instruction how it should be, and to my surprise it was exactly the same as I required. So I will be recommending to use their hair and cut and style service as well.